and your family members a happy new year and happy Sankranti. Welcome to Positive News, which is being telecasted in PMC USA YouTube channel. The whole purpose of bringing this news is to highlight various activities happening in Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, that is PSSM USA, and other affiliated PSSM organizations. PSSM is totally committed to spread the word of meditation, plant-based food, and pyramid energy. All the programs telecasted would be related to one of these topics. About PSSM. Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, that is PSSM, founded by Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, is a non-profit, autonomous, non-religious voluntary movement and working across USA promoting benefits of meditation, vegetarianism, pyramid energy and spiritual science. Also conducting numerous programs like free workshops for corporates, group sessions, one-on-one sessions, seminars with goal of enlightening with self-realization, healthy life, self-empowerment to one and all. PMC USA and PMC USA Multilingual Channel. PMC USA channel. This is purely English based channel which will bring all the content like meditation, live events, summits, experience sharing of various masters across the globe. PMC USA Multilingual Channel. This channel will serve all languages other than English. The content will be on similar lines with meditation events, summits, experience sharing and so on, but to cater to non-English speaking viewers. PSSM USA past events. PSSM USA in collaboration with Pyramid Spiritual Science Academy, that is PSSA, has designed a special course for kids known as Yogic Brilliance and Excellence. This is a 8-hour course with core intention of sharing knowledge on spiritual science and encouraging students to get a taste of this type. This course completed successfully and all the students very enthusiastically participated and attended all the classes regularly. Test and certificate issue is planned in the third week of January 2021. PSSM India celebrated its annual celebrations called Mahila Dhyana Mahachakram 2 in last 10 days of December in a grand manner every year. Similar to that event, we all celebrated all 10 days through Zoom with participants across USA. We had various wisdom sessions, 3 hours of meditation and ended up Anando Brahma event with various talents from friends across the USA. PSSM USA upcoming events. PSSM USA in collaboration with Pyramid Spiritual Science Academy, that is PSSA, has designed a level 2 course of ethical and yogic excellence. This course is continuation of level 1 and we request participants to go through level 1 course if not attended earlier so that it becomes easier to follow level 2. This course needs a mandatory registration which starts from January 25th and goes on until February 25th at 6:30 am to 7:30 am EST. PSSM USA Multilingual Past and Ongoing Events. PSSM USA Multilingual Channel also caters to participate from other regions and conduct various programs in different languages. Following programs are being conducted currently. Bhagavad Gita in Telugu by Master Kasina Anand Prasad, which is happening daily from January 1st to 18th at 5 pm CST. Atmayanam sessions are being conducted by our Master Prasanna Medisetti from Austin. All these sessions are available on YouTube for participants to revisit at your own convenience. PSSM Global Current Events. Meditation with Pari every Thursday at 9 pm EST in the event Elevate Your Energy. Please look for details at www.pssmglobal.org/events. PSSM Global upcoming event. PSSM Global is initiating one another event named as Spiritual Science International Meet 2. This event is mainly focused on plant-based diet and various organizations and masters supporting this event from across the globe. This is a free event and can be registered in the site www.ssimlive.com, which is scheduled on January 30 and 31st of 2021. Activities happening in USA. There are daily and weekly sessions happening across the US region, and the details of the same are attached in the flyer. For further info, please reach out to the customer service 1770-872-0955, and the email is info@pssmusa.org. PSSM USA announcement. PMC USA, as part of promoting plant-based food, is also getting ready to showcase on how easy and tasty food can be prepared without use of garlic, mushrooms or microwaves. So please watch our channel for every other Saturday for a new recipe which will be telecasted. PSSM Austin announcement. PSSM Austin is conducting 41-day meditation challenge for new members. PSSM Austin is conducting 41-day meditation challenge for new members called Breathe Mindfulness. This event is starting from Jan 18th, 2021 at 9:30 to 9:15 p.m. CST. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM New Jersey announcement. PSSM New Jersey is conducting 41-day meditation challenge for new members with special sessions every weekend. This event is starting from Jan 16th, 2021. Please check the flyer for joining details. PSSM Global announcement. PSSM Global has proudly launched its new services called Pyramid Call Services Global. Intention of this service is to provide a platform to a new seeker to get attached to a master who can talk in their respective language and provide guidance about the meditation and help them to assign a group so as to participate in day-to-day programs. For further info, please reach out to customer service 1770-872-0955, and email is info@pssmusa.org. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Thank you friends. Sritija signing off.